If you use a cell phone like most of us do, then you're familiar with this hunchback position. That ends up happening whenever you use your phone. So in this video, I'm going to show you a simple way to start using your phone to help correct your posture without really having to think about it. I'm Matt Shu from Upright Health, where we help you move beyond your limitations so you can live with confidence. If you're new here, be sure to check the description box for helpful links about your posture and other parts of your body. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. All of us are using our phones a lot these days, and this contributes to hunchback posture. We stare at the screen and we get all glued in there, and we let our backs and our bodies just get into that hunchback position. So it's really difficult to maintain consciousness for a lot of people about maintaining a straight spine while looking at the screen. So I'm going to show you a really simple way to modify how you're sitting when you're using your phone so that you can correct your hunchback posture while still using your phone. The simple solution to this problem is to just get yourself up against a wall so that you can practice good posture while you're using your phone. So instead of allowing yourself to curl like this, you're going to put your head back against the wall. So as long as you feel that contact with the wall, you'll know you have pretty decent posture, and at the very least, you're not going into the hunch. So a couple things to think about here are that your low back touches the wall if possible, and then the back of your head touches the wall. And then you have your knees bent and you have your phone in your hands. So then you can just go ahead and scroll around, do whatever you want to do on the phone like this. It's right there in front of you. You know your head is in good position. You know your eyes are level. You know you're practicing getting extension out of your upper and mid back. So those muscles are just getting used to holding you in this upright and more straight, good postured position. All right, so that's the simple solution. You just need to get yourself lined up against the wall, and you can use your phone as much as you want. And if your hands and wrists start to bug you, well, that's a different issue. You're probably going to want to do some other stretches and exercises for your hands and wrists. But you'll know for your hunchback, you're doing the right thing. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this video. Be sure to check the description box for helpful links. If you found this video helpful, be sure to leave us a comment and let us know. Like the video, share the video, and subscribe to our channel. And as always, I hope you remember that pain sucks. Life shouldn't.